Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by adding the Hotjar tracking snippet to your website or via your tag manager. This is where data collection begins. Once the script is live, set sensible sampling and recording limits so you capture representative sessions without blowing quota. Make sure to define which pages and user segments matter. Limit to conversion funnels first. You do this because targeted data gives clearer insights and saves budget. After that, verify data is flowing by visiting the instrumented pages and checking Hotjar's incoming session list. Now you build heat maps and funnel reports to see where users click, move, and drop off. Once done, focus heat maps on high-traffic pages and primary CTAs so you can prioritize quick wins. Configure funnels for checkout, sign-up, or onboarding steps to quantify abandonment and isolate problem screens. Make sure to segment by device type, traffic source, or campaign to reveal context-specific issues. You'll use these comparisons to decide if layout, copy, or technical friction causes leaks, guiding targeted A/B tests or fixes. You finish by reviewing session recordings and combining them with survey responses to form clear hypotheses. While watching recordings, pause on rage clicks, JS errors, or form hesitations to understand the why behind numbers. Then run short on-site surveys or targeted feedback widgets to validate assumptions. Once validated, prioritize fixes. First, resolve critical technical errors. Next, remove UX blockers, then refine microcopy. If recordings stop appearing or metrics drop, check snippet placement, sampling limits, and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.